Hi friends, and welcome to TMAT Academy. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider it. Today we are going to look at a very important topic in mathematics that a lot of students, they don't really count it as something important like that. So it is called fraction. What is fraction? A fraction is a number that is placed on top of another number. When you have a number placed on top of each other, is what we refer to as a fraction. For example, we have 1 over 2. This one here is placed on top of 2. Therefore, we can call it a fraction. And there is a name we call this up number and this down number. This up number is called numerator, while the down one is called denominator. Now, with this expression, we can actually define fraction as a number that has numerator and denominator. Now, if you look at this fraction, there is a particular mathematical sign that we use for this fraction. It is actually called division sign. The division sign can be like this, or in this form, I mean this one here, and they are the same thing, or there are some students that write their own like this. Okay, so anyone you write is the same thing. It is called division sign, and is very important when it comes to fraction. What is the work there? It is used to separate the numerator and the numerator. Now you can see that without the division sign, it will just be like this. It makes no sense. Okay, so with the division sign, it's called a complete fraction. The next we are going to look at is types of fraction. This has caused a lot of confusion in the school. Some said we have 3 types of fraction. Some said we have 2. But today I come to tell you that we don't have 3 types of fraction. We have only 2 types of fraction. These are proper fraction and improper fraction. What is a proper fraction? From the word proper, proper means something that is okay, something that is acceptable or that is good. Now, this is a type of fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, we call it proper. It is proper. When you have the small number, on top and the big one is down, it is actually proper. Okay, so example, we have 2 over 5, 3 over 7, 10 over 25, 4 over 15, 20 over 131. This number here, this numerator is 2, is smaller than 5, which is the denominator. So that's why we say that it's a type of fraction whose numerator, this one here, is smaller. It's actually 2 is smaller than 5. So that's why we say that it is smaller than the denominator. Next we are looking at is improper fraction. Improper is the opposite of the word proper. What does it mean? It means something that is not okay. What is not accepted, it is actually improper. If you look at some numbers, okay, when a number is up and the one is down, it is not proper. That's why we call it improper. So how do we define this? We say this is a type of fraction whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. Example, 5 over 2. This 5 here is the numerator and is bigger than the denominator. 10 is bigger than this. That's why it is not proper. Therefore, it is improper. Okay, so other examples, we have 15 over 9, 25 over 7, 31 over 8, and so on and so forth. Next is mixed fraction. This is obtained or gotten from an improper fraction. That is why it is not a type of fraction. Just because we get it, it is obtained or derived from one of the parts of fraction. Okay, so it is improper fraction that give birth to a mixed fraction. So example, we have 5 over 2. We want to see how this one will give birth to the mixed fraction. Now if you look at this 5 over 2, any division starts from denominator. Okay, so what you need to do is that you count 5 and divide by 2. So if I count 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I divide by 2, I 1, 2, that's 1, 1, 2, that's 2. So it goes 2 times. So that's why I write it big here, and this 2 is standing alone, and it is a whole number. A whole number is a number that stands alone without any other thing. It doesn't have a point or a fraction. It's not a fraction. So this one is a whole number. It could be 5, it could be 3, it could be 8. Okay, so that is a whole number. So that's why it's written big like this. And the remainder here, you can see that it's remaining 1. Okay, so that is 1 over this denominator over 2. So we now call this, or this is pronounced as 2 whole number 1 over 2. Now this 2 here is my whole number. Why this, we have treated fraction. Okay, so this 1 over 2 is a fraction because it has a numerator and a denominator. Okay, so that's why here with this expression we now define a mixed fraction as a whole number with a fraction, which is this. So a mixed fraction is a whole number with a fraction. The next we are looking at is conversion of fractions. Fractions can be converted from one form to another. I mean, from improper fraction to a mixed fraction. It can also be converted from mixed fraction back to improper fraction. But the first thing we are going to look at is a conversion of improper fraction to a mixed fraction. When we say conversion, it also means changing from improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Examples: change the following to a mixed fraction. Now, number 1, we have 7 over 2. I told you earlier that in any division, you will count the numerator and use the denominator to divide the numerator in any division. Okay, so here my numerator here is 7. I will count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide by 2. 1 time. 2, 1. This 3. This one is not up to 2. You leave it. So it is actually 3 times. You write it as a whole number. So 3 whole number. Remaining what? 1 over 2. So that is the answer. Now this is improper fraction, 7 over 2. And this one is 3 whole number, 1 over 2, which is a what? A fraction, a mixed fraction. The next here is 6 over 4. Now, like I said, you will count, what is it called? 6 and divide by 4. Counting 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide by what? By 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? Just 1. You write it bold. 1. That is the whole number. Remaining what? 2. 1, 2. That is 2 over 4. For primary level, I think I should leave it in this form because it can also be divided, 2 here 1, 2 in 4 is 2. But for primary level, I think I should leave it like this. Now the next one is 8 over 3. You count the numerator, which is 8. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide by what? By the denominator, which is 3. That is 1, 2, 3. That is 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. It's not up to 3. So I stop there. That is 2. You write it bold. 2 whole number. Remaining what? That is 1, 2. 2 over what? Over the denominator here. All these ones are just over denominator, like this one over this. Now the next one there, this is called 2 whole number, 2 over 3. Now the next one is 13 over 5. What do? You count 13, which is the numerator. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Divided by the denominator, which is what? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So 1, 2, 3 is not up to 5. You stop there. That is how many times? That is 2 times. We write it bold, 2 whole number. Remainder 1, 2, 3. That's 3. The remainder you write it as the new numerator, then over the denominator, which is what? 5. The last one here is 23 over 8. Yes, you count 23. If you don't know it, you can't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Divided by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's not up to 8. So you stop at the last one. So that is what? 2 whole number. Remember 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 over 8. So that is 2 whole number. 7 over 8. Alright. Earlier we looked at conversion of improper to mixed fraction. But now we want to look at conversion of mixed back to improper fraction. Okay. Now, example, change the following to improper fraction. These are mixed fractions, so we want to change them to an improper fraction. So how do we change this to an improper fraction? All right, the law is that you see, this is a whole number and a fraction. This is the denominator of a fraction, so you use the denominator here, which is 2, to multiply the whole number. Then your result, that is your answer, you add it with anything that is in the numerator, which is 1. This is how it goes. Let's do this. That will be 2 times 3. You write it 2 times 3. Okay, that is a plus numerator, which is 1, everything over the denominator, which is 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then this is 6. Then plus this 1. Okay, everything over 2. What is 6 plus 1? That is what? 7 over 2. 7 over 2 is an improper fraction. So we have achieved our aim, okay, by converting or changing from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Number 2, we have 7 whole number, 2 over 3. Okay, the same way that we used to solve this, we applied here. That will be the denominator here. That is 3 times 7. That is 3 times 7. Okay, then plus numerator, which is 2. Our numerator here is 2 over 3. So 3 times 7 is 21. Then plus 2 over 3. 21 plus 2 is 23. Then all over 3. That's all about that. Then this is 5 whole number, 3 over 4 here. Just like the way we have been doing it, this times this plus this. That will be 4 times 5. Okay, plus 3 over everything over 4. So 4 times 5 is what? That is 20. Then plus, you continue, plus 3 over 4. Okay, 20 plus 3 is 23 over 4. So this is an improper fraction. The last one, just like the way we have been doing it, that is 10 whole number, 6 over 7. We say 7 times 10, that is 7 times 10, okay, plus 6. This bracket is not a must, okay. If you want to, you put it. Then over 7, just to, you know, let you have a neat work. So 7 times 10 is 70. Let me write it down. 70 over, sorry, plus 6 over 7. 70 plus 6 is 76 over 7. So this is an improper fraction. Yes, in our next class, we are going to look at decimal numbers, okay, and the conversion of fraction to decimal, and also conversion of decimal back to fraction. I hope it is well understood. Thank you so much. In our next class, we are going to look at decimal numbers, okay, and also conversion of fraction to decimal and conversion of decimal back to fraction. I hope it's well understood. Thank you so much.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
I hope you have subscribed to the channel.
And if you have not, please consider it.
And don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you can see more of our latest videos. Thank you.
Bye.